Hello and welcome to Toothless Tesla. This video is not really about the bad driving and poor attitudes of Hong Kong drivers, although it could have been. Instead, this video is a feel-good, positive moment that I would like to share with you, and hopefully it will make your day a little bit better than it is. Obviously, there is a Tesla associated with this video, and we can see that the Tesla driver is carefully negotiating its way forward to turn right in a road which has two lanes separated by double solid lines. Any reasonable driver would not expect a vehicle like this black car coming along the road in the wrong lane, but that's exactly what has happened. We know who's at fault here. But what I'd like to focus on is the cheerful little white street dog who has probably been patiently waiting for someone to get off the red minibus after they have just finished work and are returning home. This kind lady has noticed a little commotion occurring between the two cars, but does not forget to give some snacks to the white dog. In the context of the face-off between the two cars, and also please don't forget that this is during the time of COVID, which is stressing everyone out. It's heartening to see this kind woman giving some treats to a dog that she doesn't even own. The dog is very happy, and I'd like to think that this little routine between the woman and the dog happens daily. It's lovely to see this interaction captured on the video. I hope you enjoy it. That's all for now. Stay safe and chillax.